Señor to all the brothers and sisters.
A mis hermanos y mis hermanas.
Yeah.
Hoy vamos a hacer nuestro curtido para pupusas o pasteles. Okay?
Okay.
So the first thing you do is you grab this and you go.
Does it hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt.
No,
like
I'm
this
talking
again.
to the cat.
Okay. And then, it is a little hard, so I'm going to do it. Do you have it? Try to make it as thin as possible. Now that we're finished with the cabbage, we are going to start with the carrots. I'm going to use this part, and it's going to go like this, my friend. Hold it. While he's doing that, I'm going to start with the onion. Same, very thin. We're gonna also use orégano. So, vamos a usar orégano también para ponerlo. Le ponemos un poquito.
That's a lot.
Me too, so.
You really said oops. What is that batch for?
And then, Mateo, we're gonna go ahead and this is gonna be yours. Put some apple cider vinegar. Okay.
What's mine?
Can you go get the salt?
Sure. I put it over here. Wait. Why do we each have separate ones?
Because I made a lot.
Oh.
It's okay. And then some salt.
This smells like salad.
And then you mix it. All done. This is our repollo. All done. So now we're gonna do the taste
Test.
Go ahead. Sour, but it's good. All right, Dios los bendiga.
Dios bendiga.
God bless.
God bless.